Hi, my name is Marvin Boliker, and today we're looking at ladder logic. Over here, we have rungs going up and down based on traditional controls systems where they used to use contactors for inputs and outputs were coils. This time I have a motor and a pilot light. Pilot light's in the self-latching circuit, and then I have a timer on delay that counts how long a product's being held underneath the cell. The other one is for how long the conveyor moves and then stops to give time for the product to be walked on underneath the cell. The next one counts the number of items left in a batch. We have 12 per case. And then this one counts the number of cases during production. And I will run the program so you can see it in action. So here we go. I'll hit the stop button and the conveyor starts running. And here we go. It's counting up products moving up and down. Over here, we're looking at how many is left in a batch. We have 11 left. Getting from the 12, 2 have already been produced. And so far, I have 9 left in the batch. So far, 1 case has been produced. And then the conveyor will keep moving and pausing, giving it enough time to start and stop. And then that will go all the way to 0 based on those 2 timers right there and the 2 counters right there. And I got 3 left in the batch. 3, 2, conveyor moves. And I want to get 0, conveyor stops. It gives enough time to package, and then you have to start again. And you can get the next batch. So continuing the batch goes back to 12. Now we're down to 11. And 2 cases have been produced. So this will keep going on. It gives enough time for the operator to take out the case out of the system and restart the whole process again after every 12. And then the reset button here is tied to the counter up. That one is for end of day when you're done with the whole production and you've stopped the entire system. Let's create one more batch and then I'll show you what it does. We go. And 5 more left. As you can see, ladder logic is similar to wiring diagrams. And that's why most technicians like using ladder logic versus function blocks or structured text or sequential function charts or instruction lists. So we're down to 0, everything stopped, stop production, run my end of day by hitting reset, sets back number of cases to 0, ready for the next lot. So that's ladder logic in Codesys.